So let's get started making our taco for Taco Tuesday. Stay tuned. Okay, the first step you're going to want to do is get some Beyond Meat and pour it in. But if you don't have it, you can just use like black beans or pinto beans instead. The whole one. So you're gonna wanna put some olive oil. And here's Mom's trick. So this acts like a glue. Refried pinto beans, they act like a glue. They like glue together to fall out and get on anything you're wearing. Your pajamas or stuff. So you're just gonna wanna mix in some refried beans. So that's about enough to hold everything in your taco. Oh, and happy Taco Tuesday. You should make tacos today. Every Tuesday, once in a while. So you're gonna heat up, but you don't need to cook it too long. You're just gonna want to, heat up. If you're not using pre-flavored crumbles, like if you're using just beans, you're gonna want to add some taco seasoning in it. So ours is already flavored, so we're not going to. And if you like it a little extra spicy, you can just add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, now that we got everything done, we're gonna stack it all together in this one shell. So let's put our 1 scoop. We're gonna need a little bit more than that because that's just, hey, get off that spoon! I guess it should just be like that. Let's spin around and see if it comes off. Nope, I get it. So, now let's add some cheese. Cheese. Okay, now we're gonna add some tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. Maybe just a tiny bit. Now we're going to add our guacamole. Now we're going to mix this in because it's mid. That means medium and not like. So we're going to mix it in and make it. There we go. Now, the 2 last things we're going to have some sour cream. It's vegan. This is like the first vegan sour cream that we ever saw in our life. Yep. Now the last thing, our lettuce. And there we go. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Homemade tacos are better than Taco Bell.